is our room at the Hilton Universal. As soon as you walk in, there is this nice little section to put your, I don't know, shelves, things. And then if you continue on this side, here is the closet with a safe, ironing board, an iron hangers, an additional pillow and blanket. If you turn to the opposite side, hi, here's the restroom. Nice toilet in a separate little area, but not a separate space. Sink, towels, and your verbena lavender. Cute light. And your shower. Nice large shower. There's no bathtub, but I guess you don't need it with a shower like this, right? And if you keep going, you have just a little bench. It's got stuff on it already. And you have your large dresser, mirror. I said mirror. It's not a mirror. It's a television. Then you have your desk area and large view. Let's take a look at the view. Let's see what we got here. How do I open this up? Here we go. Here is our view. Right? We get to see the cars go by and some pretty expensive houses on the hill. And there's a mom.
Hi.
And a chair and a table. And then we have our 2 queen beds. These actually look like a double bed to me. Yeah, and your dresser and 2 double beds. And that is the room. Well, there you have it. Our quick review about Universal City Hilton. Check out our next video where we continue on to Universal Studios. You don't want to miss it. Thanks a lot.